Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the transitions on your slides in Google Slides. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the slides option. As you can see, here the slide option. So simply we have to click on the transitions option. And after clicking on the transitions option, as you can see, you will get the different types of transitions here. Like the dissolve is also provided here, and the fade is also provided here. Slide from right, slide from left. So I'm going to click on the slide from left. And now you have to choose the speed of this medium and the high or the fast. So I'm going to click on the medium. Now if you want to apply this on the all slides, you can also do that. If you want to check out the preview of the slide, so I'm going to click on the play, and let's click on the play. As you can see, it will work like this. So in this way you can add the slides. Now if you want to apply this from all slides, you can also do that. As you can see, apply slide from left. If you want to change, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the stop again. So let's click on the stop. And now if you want to slide from the left, no, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the apply to all slides. And now this transition is applied to all slides. So if you want to click on the slideshow, and now it will work. So you will be able to see the preview of this slide. So as you can see, it's working like this, and now it's done. So in this way you can add the transitions in a Google slide. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.